Blessings. This evening, assorted stories will be mentioned that you certainly don't want to miss. So stick around for the news in detail. In the meantime, be reminded that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all. So that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. The Trelawney police seized a Stoger 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 12 rounds of ammunition during a targeted operation in Felix Pond area of Duncans in Trelawney yesterday, Thursday, November the 17th. Several cellular phones and laptops were also seized and found to have contained lottery scamming information or paraphernalia. 3 men have been arrested in connection with the seizure of the firearm and breaches of the lottery scamming legislation. Congratulations to the JCF. And it did not stop there, because members of the Joint Security Forces yesterday seized 2 9mm pistols and 47 rounds of ammunition during a spot check along the Saltmarsh Main Road in Trelawney as well. Police officers intercepted a public passenger vehicle coming from St. James, where a backpack was searched and the weapons and ammunition found. Investigations continue. Information is not in abundance at the moment, so that was the level of candidacy at the time. No matter how small the successes are, we still need to appreciate the work of the security forces, because it is not easy, and I can speak from personal experiences. Some average-minded people thought it was a bright idea to try and outsmart the security forces by loading the cavity of a dark blue Pro Box with the pass mark, some higher grades, real high grade, then place that said car on a wrecker to normalize the trafficking and how one might view it, thinking it would neutralize their transaction, because one would look at the car saying it has some mechanical faults or it is just not fit for the road. So that would look acceptable to cross the border, any border or borders of checkpoint. But they were wrong, because police officers operating in the Clarendon state of public emergency intercepted the wrecker that was carrying the blue Pro Box in question, loaded with the pass mark, some of the highest grades. 2 men were held in connection with the seizure, and I can only be candid with the information that was made available at the time I received this data. So leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Over to the latest in the Gabriel King's case. The court this morning dismisses an injunction that was barring the police from accessing the phone belonging to Gabriel King's mother, Amoy Leon Issa. So the court has dismissed that injunction that was brought by the mother, giving the police full access to her phone. The court ruled that the extraction of data from Amoy Issa's phone should be done on or before the 24th of November, that is in a 1-week time span, 1-week duration. Further to the ruling, Miss Issa should not be present at the extraction, but her lawyer or attorney, Chuko Cameron, may attend as an observer. Also, a qualified professional analyst may also observe the process of accessing data from her phone. That is what we call progress, and I'm auspiciously confident that something will derive from this development. So I'll keep you abreast. Just leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. And back to this morning's unexpected event in St. Anne, where that collision took place. The man that lost his life has been identified. He is 40-year-old Walwayne Simit, a fisherman of Steertown in the parish. Police have confirmed that the collision occurred sometime before 7:30 a.m. Reports are that Mr. Smith and 2 others were returning from a fishing trip when they collided with a bus owned by the Guardsman Security Company. The 2 men who were traveling with Mr. Smith are said to have sustained serious injuries. Security officers who were in the Guardsman bus were also injured. So there you have it. And be reminded that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all. So that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.
One woman called me, said if you come check her. We go her yard. We go straight in her bedroom and start have sex. Me hear the door start pulling, woman say, God Almighty, I'm my husband. Me dive underneath the bed. The man come in. The woman turn fool, don't know what to do. She don't know what to say. She said to her husband, me a got Jimmy now. The man say, go on now. So she just step out and underneath the bed see me. Me hear man make a phone call and say, boy, the wife gone to gym, come check me. Me underneath the bed and me hear a woman come in the house. The 2 of them up on the bed and have sex. When you look, the door start rattle again and man wife come back. The man said to the woman, say run underneath the bed. When the woman come underneath the bed, and me go so and look. Now my wife, he said, God Almighty, me Percy Clark, so what this man? We can't say nothing to her, she can't say nothing to me. Man look on female wife. He said, oh, you come home so early. She said she left her gym shoes. The 2 of them sit down on the bed. He might look on her, she a look on him. Me a look on my wife on the bed, she a look on me. Pure silence. Nobody not say nothing. If you drop a pin, you hear it. Me I say, God Almighty, what kind of reunion this man? Man?
You wanna get up and say, yo, no man not there, no man not out there. So now tell me, so, what are so much man in this world? You know, can't find one. I'll tell you why. 1, the man who you want, him out of your tax bracket. Facts. Alright, 2, you build a body for attract successful man. But you yourself not have it like that. Facts. Alright, 3, you know face on the body, you'll only get to know so far, but will never get to know a ring. Facts. 4, when you get up every day and listen to a favorite influencer telling us, yo, enough is sick. Because a man for take care of you. A man for take your pan trick. A man for provide for you fully. Him for bring security. Him for bring stability. But a lot of you out here can't take care of yourself, how that makes sense. Facts. 5, when you never take accountability for shit. 6, when you always play the victim like when you never wrong. Facts. 7, if you don't know if you love a man. You only know if you take from a man. Facts. Alright, 8, you make 60,000 but you want a man who make $500,000 a year. Only because you want him to provide for your lifestyle where you can afford where you want to live. Facts. I mean, no one go say, me want, me not settle. But there's 100 other woman want where you want too. So tell me what the difference with you. Facts.